Tanestilin, Al-Shalanti, Hotep. Greetings, gentlemen, precious ladies, learning students, teachers, everyone who watching this program. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube posted Graspmatyx 91, they say in English 91 times table. Thank you so much. Some of you say to me, Dr. H, why you say 91 instead of 91? Well, because I normally pronounce the numbers based on the inscriptional figures. Figures are 0 to 9. And after that, you're just repeating those figures in 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, and so on. So after 9 comes 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. It's that simple. And also, based on the fact that this math is taught in 3 Kwankwa Och. Kwankwa Och means languages. That's an Ethiopian word, or Giz word. And it's referring to English, Grass-ish, and the Kwankwa called Amarenya in Ethiopia. Most people know it as Amharic. Well, those are the 3 Kwankwa Och, or languages I teach this math. So when I say to you 91, I'm mentioning a number in the language called Grass-ish, which is perceptual math, and identifying it based on its figure. English is 91, but I have a problem with that. Because when you say 91, I was taught in English, here is how to teach me how to write the figure 90. 9 and then a 0. They calling this 90. Okay? Then this is how they teach me how to write 1. This is 1. So when I ear, remember Dr. say you ear with your ear, you don't hear with your ear. Here is the hair on your head, this is here. So I don't want you to hear it. I want you to ear it. Okay? So what happens is that when I ear 90, that's the first time I hear. I ear, so I write 90 because that's 90. Then I ear 1 and I write a 1, and that's confusing. So this is 91. See it? 91. So what I'm earing is not what I'm writing, because the first thing I hear is 90. So I write 90, then I ear 1. So when we say write the figure 91, what's the first number you ear? That's right, 9. And the last number you ear is 1. There it is. 9, 1. That's why we say it like that. Okay? Good. So you learn your 9-1 times table here. Great. 9-1, remember I asked for those. Remember I asked for those people, well, if you didn't watch a previous video, then you wouldn't know that I request that you do it before I even come with this presentation, this episode. And my request was that you do the 9-1 time twin numbers. Twin numbers are 1-1, they call 11, 2-2, 3-3, 4-4, 5-5, 6-6, 7-7, 8-8, 9-9. This is what we're doing on this day. How are we going to figure it out? Well, it's very simple in Graspmatyx. Here how simple it is. All you're doing is, let's start at the bottom, okay? The 9-1 times 1, 0, the 9-1 times 1, what? I always give the answer away. First thing I do, I take the 1 and I put it to the far right. Remember, I'm multiplying 9-1 times 1-1. Graspmatyx teaches that 1, the character of 1 is single. The character of 9 is highest. So you're looking at 9-1. First, identify the character of the number. Since 1 means single, and we're multiplying in 9-1 times 1-1, I have a single 1-1, they call 11. So I have to use that in my answer because there are what? Twin numbers. If there weren't twin numbers, I couldn't use it in the answer together. So here what we do. I take the 1, I put it to the far right, and I take the other 1, I put it to the far left. Now in the middle, I need 2-digit numbers to fill in the center. What would be those 2-digit numbers I need? Well, simple. Since 9 is the highest number there is, Dr. Yates teaches that 9 is the highest number, not infinity and Google and all the stuff they say in the schools. No, 9 is the highest number. Okay, since 9 is the highest number, therefore what I have to do now to start all over again, I have to now use the 0. Remember, after 9 comes what? 1, 0. See, the 0 repeats itself. Why? Because 0 is the starting number, not 1. So what I do now, since I have to repeat the 0 and I need 2 numbers, I'll just use double zeros. 0, 0 in the center, and that's my answer. It is that simple, folks. Look at it. So 9-1 times 1-1 will equal 1, 0, 0, 1. 9-1 times 2-2. Same principle. I take the 2 to the right and I put it to my far right. the 2 in the left here, I put it to my coming left. And so in the center, I balance it now with 0, 0. Why? Because 9 is the highest number here. And 1 is single. 1 is not starting number. It is what? The character 1 is single. So when I go through all of them, okay, here's your 1, 1, okay. When I go through all of them, they will have the same pattern, rhythm. So when I go all the way to 9, 1 times 9, 9, all I have to do is put a 9 to the far right, 9 to the coming left, and in the center the double 0. And the reason for that is, well, you write the doc here because I explained it more in detail on flash, SIM card, email link, DVDs. There's much more explaining about the character and the personality of numbers and why it functions like that the easy and simple way. This is what I want you to do for me. Write to me and tell me more about the Graspmatyx program. Dr. Yates is saying, Tanastalin, Shalamti, Al.